Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix if Instagram feed is not working. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to check if we do have a stable internet connection. We can do so by typing in here a speed test. So just like for example, this one, we're going to click that. And basically we're going to run through a speed test. So we're just be waiting for this.
Well, I'll bring it.
As the result shows, we have 409.55 Mbps. That means that we do have an excellent internet connection. Thus, we don't have any problem in terms of refreshing our feed on Instagram. So with that, we can go ahead and proceed to the next step wherein we are going to swipe down and we are just going to toggle off our Wi-Fi. And right after that, we're going to turn on airplane mode, just like for example like that. And right after, we can turn this one off. And with that, we will be connected again with our internet connection. But if in case that we still do have the same problem, we can try accessing Instagram account via our mobile data. So we're going to turn this one off and we are going to turn on our mobile data. But if we do have the same problem again, what we can do then is to go back to our Safari and we are going to type in here is Instagram down. So we're going to search if maybe there is really an internal problem in terms of Instagram. So we're going to click this. And if you notice on the data, it goes to show that there's no problem in terms of Instagram app. Hence, we are going to proceed then with another step in order for us to resolve the problem. So we can go ahead to our App Store. And right after that, we're going to click the search icon. And we are going to click here or type in Instagram. So we're going to click this. Once we are here, and if you notice on our screen, there's a prompt to update our Instagram account. So maybe this is the reason why our feed is not updating. So we are just going to click update and we will just be waiting for this one to be completely updated. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and check on our Instagram account. But then again, if the problem is still existing, the very last step that we are going to do then is to go to our mobile settings. So just like for example like that. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click General. And right after that, we're going to click iPhone Storage. So once we are here, we can go ahead and scroll down up until we can see here Instagram. So just like for example this one. And right after that, we're going to offload app. We're going to click this. And we will just be waiting for that one. And once done, we can go ahead and reinstall application. So that is the very last thing that we could do in order for us to make sure that our feed will be refreshing. So technically, those are the different processes in order for us to load our Instagram feed. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.